In today's video, we will provide you with expert guidance on sharpening drill bits with precision. Whether you are an experienced DIY enthusiast or embarking on your DIY journey, mastering the art of sharpening drill bits will prove invaluable, allowing you to maximize both your time and savings. I am Sam, a drilling expert from Drilling Nerd. If you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Before we dive into step-by-step procedure, let's talk about safety. Here are few safety measures to keep in mind while sharpening your drill bits. Safety glasses. Always wear safety glasses or goggles to protect your eyes from metal shavings and debris. Gloves. Use protective gloves to avoid injury from sharp edges. Work area. Ensure you have a clean and well-lit work area with stable workbench or vise to hold your drill bits securely. Now let's jump into the step-by-step procedure for sharpening a drill bit. Step 1. Begin by examining the drill bit for any signs of damage, wear or dullness. If the bit is severely damaged or worn beyond repair, it may be time to replace it. Step 2. Place the drill bit securely into a drill bit sharpening jig or a drill bit sharpener. This will provide stability and ensure a consistent sharpening angle. Step 3. Set up your bench grinder with a fine grit grinding wheel. Adjust the tool rest to the desired angle, typically around 118 degrees for most drill bits. Step 4. Gently rest the cutting edge of the drill bit against the grinding wheel at the desired angle. Be sure to maintain the original shape of the bit's cutting edge. Step 5. Frequently cool the bit in a container of water to prevent overheating. Check the progress by visually inspecting the cutting edge. Repeat the grinding process if necessary until the cutting edge is sharp and even. Step 6. Carefully examine the cutting edge for sharpness and uniformity. If satisfied, you are ready to reinstall the drill bit and enjoy its improved performance. A sharp drill bit will make your drilling tasks more efficient and precise, saving you time and effort in your future DIY projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like on this video. Thanks for watching.